Good afternoon, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name is Harry. I'm just going to show you around. It's absolutely stunning. It's a massive spec, this car. It's a BMW X5 M50i. It's the V8. Obviously X-Drive, finished in Dravit Grey. It's a single private owner. I think the first owner was BMW themselves, then one private owner after that. 2 keys, full BMW service history as you'd expect. But the specification on this, if I'm reading it right, is well over £30,000 in options. It's got basically everything on it. I mean, just to quickly run through the list now, you've got the Dravit Grey, the technology package with the Bowers and Wilkins, that's nearly a £5,000 option. The individual interior, the ash grain silver as they like to call it, 560 quid. Individual Alcantara roof lining, that's 1,100 quid. Crafted clarity interior elements, 550. The comfort package, £2,500. More individual leather on the instrument cluster, that's 1,250. Extended full merino leather, which is ivory, white and night blue. It looks black, that's 1,500 quid. You've got the high gloss shadow lines, all the black exterior bits, that's 300 quid, it's not a lot. The wheels, 250, park assistant plus, and Skyline panoramic roof. It's got almost everything on it. Proper bit of kit. Done just over 40,500 miles. BMW laser headlights, part of the visibility pack. 360 cameras, obviously front and rear parking sensors. The 22-inch alloy wheels. All the black exterior bits. 360 cameras, as I mentioned. In there, you've got all of your your Bowers and Wilkins with the ambient lighting in the speakers themselves. Looks absolutely amazing at night, this car. That's the individual wood interior, heads-up display. Seats there again with the two-tone individual leather. In real life, this looks black. It doesn't really look navy. It probably looks black on camera as well, to be fair. Sky Lounge panoramic roof. Those sort of dots in there at night, that all illuminates. If you've not seen it before, it's really cool. And again, the suede cloth roof lining in there as well. Crafted clarity bits, so all of these sort of crystal features in the switch gear. And then on there, there's loads of adjustment in these seats. Top, bottom, sides, wings, everything moves. Heated rear seats, again, more of those illuminated Bowers and Wilkins speakers in the back. Really nice place to be in here. And then again, you've got heated rear seats. In here, you can get attachments to fit iPads and all the rest of it. Sort of, I think these days, rear entertainment is a bit outdated with the age of iPad and stuff. So charging spots, and then you get various adaptations for that little bracket there, which you can put coat hangers, as I say, iPad holders, all sorts of things in there. Illuminated kick plates all the way around the car. Black roof rails. Again, reversing camera as you'd expect. Split tailgate on these. Massive boot. And again, being the M50i V8, loads and loads of room in here. Extra space underneath. No spare tyre in this one. It's just the inflator kit or run flats. Power operated boot. But brilliant cars, these. If you've not driven one of these before, they're very good. And just on the interior, obviously got the memory seats, electric heated folding dimming door mirrors. The driver assistance package, or driver pro pack, can't remember which one they call it now. That is all of your adaptive cruise control, or basically full pilot assist. So essentially it drives itself pretty much. And then adaptive laser LED headlights. Mileage there, just as I mentioned, just over 40,500 miles. On there, you've got loads of different options in terms of how that looks and things like that on there. Maps in the middle. Heads-up display, if you can just make it out between those two cars in front of me. And then obviously all the usual stuff, automatic lights, automatic wipers, etc. In here, you've got all the usual, but usual stuff: satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, loads of different apps that you can download and add on in here. The drive recorder, there's cameras up here which can literally record your drive, like basically like a built-in dash cam if you like, lap timers and all sorts of different bits and bats. Then down here you've got all your drive mode selects. You can configure your own individual 360 cameras, as I mentioned before, with bird's eye and all sorts of different views on there. Just a proper spec car, this. Really, really nice. Down here, heated and cooled cup holders. Keep your coffee warm on this side, bottle of water cold on the other. You've got wireless chargers in these. One of the things I do really appreciate about this previous gen of BMW is the fact that you've still got physical buttons for all of your heated seats and all of your climate control elements, as well as a few important ones down here for your infotainment system. I still like a physical button. Not a massive fan of everything being on the screens like in the brand new ones. Live with it, but prefer not. These are winged as well, so your headrests can sort of wrap around your head. Yeah, just a very, very nice example, this. If you are after a fast, reliable family SUV, that don't get much better than that. And again, mega spec on there. We'll put a link to the description below so you can see the full information for that car. Anything that you need from the team here at Kingsbridge, please do give us a call, and we shall see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching.